guys, I've got my mum here today and we're going to move on to our third tray. So, as you can see, our second one, we've put loads of plants. These are our beautiful flowers and we got some greenery. So yeah, we're going to put some more greenery in today and some more purple flowers.
Perfect.
So here we have our third tray. Mum, soil?
Yep.
We have some soil. I'm going to put my hand in and pour it out. Thanks, Mum.
Yep. So you can see here in the soil we have some perlite as well. So these are the little white bits here. So these are really good for the plants as well. Gives them plenty of nutrients.
I think that's enough. We'll take it off. We'll spread it out. Spread, spread, spread. Oh, get this corner. Spread, spread, spread.
Good job.
Pat, pat, pat. Pat nice and firmly. Not too hard, otherwise you won't be able to fit your plants in.
Yeah, good job. Okay.
Now, for our last and final step, we can put the plants in. Here, this one's wobbly.
So we've got to make sure that we cover the roots.
Yeah.
Yeah. And some of them can actually sit on the top as well.
Yeah.
Because the roots will find their own way into the soil.
Our first purple flower. Here we go.
Just cover it.
Yeah. And then you carry this step on over and over.
Yep. Just keep planting.
We even have some small seeds. Let's put a few of these in. Make a few holes. And then you put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
And then you cover them up. Remember, firmly, not hard. Okay. Now we can put some more greenery in.
Yep.
You do this step over and over until all your plants are gone.
And then, do you know what we do after we've planted them? Do you know where we're going to put them?
We water them.
Yeah. So we wait a little while, don't we,
Yeah.
for them to get used to the soil.
Yeah, because we don't want them like, oh no, I don't like this soil. Put some more seeds in.
So let them get used to it.
Yeah.
And then we'll put them at the bottom of the greenhouse.
Yeah.
Fabulous.
Because as you see, we've got a greenhouse over there.
Fabulous. Okay, so we're going to put the rest of these in. We'll catch you next time.